Tonight is Dogs Days at the park. It's the Padres game that we can bring Lucky with us. And I'm packing up some flatbread sub sandwiches using leftovers, and I wanted to show you what was going into my picnic basket. Cloth napkins, of course, to be environmental, plates and forks, cups for our tuber tonic. We need some hot tuber tonic because it gets chilly at night at the ballpark. And PD cheesecake, we're still testing it. And layered on my sandwich, oh, don't forget the popcorn with the broth mix. And layered on my sandwich, I'm starting with the new creamy hummus. I'm using all leftovers. I have my leftover falafel, some PD spice sauce that I'm testing. This is a new recipe coming up. And leftover fattoush salad makes a perfect topping. All leftovers made into an awesome sub sandwich. I'm going to fold it and wrap it up in the parchment just like this one, mark it with our names, and put it into our tote to go and have an awesome time at the ballpark. And tonight we're doing our community class review remotely, and we will be enjoying our leftovers from our Middle Eastern feast that we had last night, wrapped up into sub sandwiches at the ballpark with Lucky at Dog Days of Summer at the Padres game.